know the girls, what are their importance, what are their problems, and what are their human rights. The main focus was basically on human rights. Mostly what I have seen, because I work in industry and I know that what are the problems girls face when they come to the real practical life. This is the time of your education. As long as you get aware of this, you have to come to the practical life. And in practical life, along with education, you have to know your human rights. So for that, you must be educated. The awareness program must be initiated at this level, so that you all know when you come to the organizations, when you go out for work, when you go out to your homes, so you not let other people to suppress you. The point, I hope all the girls are getting my points, that it's not about to fight the society.